Bill Cohen here, Cohen on content and all things digital. Ron Bauer from Frank Mayer. These guys have been around a long time, and I'm not going to tell you all about the company because this is interesting. You guys have gotten involved. First, you were like boxing in technologies. You were encasing.
Right.
And now you're doing things like this. This is a kiosk for Nevada Department of Motor Vehicle. And I'm going to mention something first and get into an argument. This content is not being derogatory, I'm just saying, it's pretty simplistic. Do you guys, is this what you want to put out? Or are you looking to make it a little more engaging? Or is there a theory?
Well, Phil, that's an interesting way to put it, but okay. The idea behind it is simplistic and it is intuitive. The idea was that somebody coming up for the first time in the DMV is looking for a way to get in and to get out as fast as possible.
Okay.
So the solution is an EG touchscreen type solution that helps you to walk through this solution as quickly as possible. This particular solution is set up so that you can get your tags immediately.
All right. Do you guys, there's two ways to do this. Does somebody come to you and say, we know who you are, we know what your expertise is, here's our problem, can you develop, engineer, manufacture a solution? Or do you have a think tank bunch of guys that sit around and say, hey, this could be cool, and now let's figure out who we should go sell it to?
Yes.
Yes, both?
We work with the guys who originated the technology, the software behind it, who came to us and say, look, we have got to take our solution to a number of our clients, but we don't have it packaged as such that they can utilize it. So it's our responsibility, with the experience that we have at retail and understanding consumers, to put that together into a design that's easy to implement, easy for a consumer to interact with, and cost effective so that they can manufacture it and people can utilize it.
And then finding different applications for the same system, the same technology.
This solution is used not only in the state of California, it's used in a slimline like you see right here. It has another unit that's a double-sided unit where you can actually use cash. This unit, you're only using a credit card.
You know, there's a difference in designing or the creative when you produce what I'll call one-to-many or one screen that's impacting on many, many viewers at once.
Right.
Or having to create content that's one-to-one, that's going to engage a single viewer at one time and make them perform these actions.
Exactly.
I seem to recall that you guys have kind of been in both of those areas, at least in helping from a consultative perspective on developing content both ways. Tell me who I remember this from. I'm coming out of digital signage. Who do I remember in the digital signage industry that you guys worked with?
Well, we worked on a project with Wireless Ronin for
there it is.
Ford Motor Company, and the introduction of the sync unit with the new technology that the automobiles have and synchronizing all of your equipment into it and creating a unit that people
Linda Hoflander, that's where I heard from. Yes,
there you go.
That's what it was. I see here. I knew it had to be somewhere out there. That's the first sign of dementia, you know, is that the short-term memory goes away, but the long-term gets better. I remembered Linda and you guys from that.
All right.
Ron,
thanks
man. Nice talking to you.
Have a good one.
I got more to go, so you'll see me in a few minutes.